What if I told you that some of the world's best courses are available online for free, and most people never take advantage of them? Whether you want to learn business, coding, marketing, graphic design, data science, or just pick up a new skill, here are 3 websites that can help you learn from home without breaking the bank. Starting with number 3, edX. This platform gives you access to courses from top universities and institutions around the world. You can learn subjects like computer science, artificial intelligence, business, engineering, and much more. Many courses can be accessed for free, making it a great place to gain university-level knowledge from the comfort of your home. At number 2, Allison. Allison offers thousands of free courses covering business, technology, health, personal development, marketing, and many other topics. The platform is beginner-friendly, easy to navigate, and perfect for anyone looking to improve their skills or learn something completely new. And at number 1, OpenLearn. Created by the Open University, OpenLearn provides high-quality free courses across a wide range of subjects, from psychology and education to science, technology, and career development. It's one of the best free learning resources available online today. If you've been thinking about learning a new skill, don't wait for the perfect time. Pick one course, start today, and a few months from now, you'll be glad you did.